Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your homes. So today I'm here and I'm going to talk about two very exciting products from the brand La Organo. So before jumping directly into the product, let me talk a little bit about the brand. Now, La Organo, first and foremost, is a made in India brand. They mainly deal into skincare and healthcare. And if you go to their website, which I'm going to mention it in my description box, you will see a lot of skincare and hair care products, like a complete variety you'll be able to see. Apart from that, none of the products have silicons and parabens in it, which is so amazing. So today I'm going to talk about their vitamin C facial serum and vitamin C cream. I'm also going to show you guys a demo of both the products, so stay tuned till the very end. So let's first start with the facial serum. This is how the vitamin C serum looks like. This also has hyaluronic acid in there. Now when I talk about vitamin C, it has innumerable benefits to the skin, but when I say hyaluronic acid, this particular ingredient gives your skin that nice, supple, hydrating, glowing and very healthy skin. The combination of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid is bomb. So when these both ingredients come together, they do miracles to the skin, which is so amazing. Now this is the outer packaging, guys. If you can see very nicely, they have mentioned the price, the ingredient list and everything in there. So this is how the product looks from inside. It is basically a tinted glass bottle with a pump dispenser. Now I really love the pump dispenser more than the usual dropper kind of applicator, because the hygiene in a pump dispenser is maintained, which is so amazing. And yeah, and the tinted glass obviously makes sense because it is vitamin C is very much sensitive to sunlight, and that is why the tinted glass. So let's see how the product looks like. So this is just one single pump and this is the texture of the product, guys. It's nice and watery and it gets absorbed like a dream. It has a beautiful tangy mild fragrance to it, which I love it so much. Now if you can see, the serum is completely absorbed. It smells so amazing, guys. Now let's talk a little about the second product. So this is how the second product looks like. It's basically their vitamin C skin brightening cream and it has SPF 30, which is so amazing because whatever vitamin creams which I have been using, they do not have SPF, and they had day cream and night cream. Now this is kind of a multi-purpose product, guys. You can use it at nighttime routine or at daytime routine, or just when you're just casually going out, you can use it anytime, which is amazing. Now let's see how this product looks from inside. The packaging looks so premium. This is basically a plastic bottle with a gold cap. So this is how the cream looks from inside. The texture is very lightweight and it is non-greasy, and the best thing about is when you apply it on your skin, you get a complete mattified look, which is so amazing, guys. I love this cream because it does not make my face oily and it completely mattifies my face, which I love the most. So let's swatch the product for you. So it takes 1 to 2 minutes to get blended into the skin seamlessly, and once it's blended in the skin, it gives a complete mattified look. So that's the cream. Now let's talk about the price. MRP of the facial serum is 1049, but there are crazy discounts going on their website, so it is available for only 499. Similarly, the MRP of this particular cream is 649, but it is available for only 499 on their website. And if you guys go to their website and use my coupon code, which is JOTI10, I'm going to mention it right here, you guys will get an additional 10% discount, which is so amazing. So let's see a quick demo of how I use these products on me. Okay, let's start with the demo. Now I first apply the serum and then I apply the cream. First I need 2 to 3 pumps of serum, not more than that, and then I'll just dot it all over my face, and don't forget the neck area, and very gently just push the serum into the skin. Within just 1 minute, this serum will get completely absorbed into your skin. So as you can see, the serum has got completely absorbed. Now I will wait for a minute and then I will apply the cream. It's been 1 minute. Now I'll apply the cream. I'll take some amount and again in the same way, I will dot it everywhere on my face and also on the neck. Now I will massage the cream. So this is how I massage it in upward direction. And after 2 to 3 minutes of nice massage, this particular cream will get completely absorbed into your skin. And once you have just applied, I just have the habit of tapping my face like this because itna sara jo massage kiya hai, that will get relaxed. So I like doing this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's talk about my experience with these two products. Now I've been using these two products continuously from last 3 weeks and I've incorporated them without fail in my nighttime skincare routine. So if you guys follow me from a long time, you guys might have seen that I had a lot of hyperpigmentation right here and also here. I had a lot of acne marks on my forehead because I used to get so much of acne on my forehead. I was just so upset about it, but ever since I have started using this vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, my skin game has completely changed. My skin is much more vibrant than before. You guys must have already noticed, and also the acne spots or scars, they are getting much lighter every day. These products take a little bit time to show effectiveness. You cannot get a clear skin in just one night. You need to continuously apply these products every day on an everyday basis for getting a clear and healthy, glowing, supple skin. And apart from that, both of the products are very mindfully curated for all skin types. So if you have an oily skin type, combination skin type, acne prone, or any skin type, they have been curated keeping in mind all the skin types, which is so thoughtful of them. So it's not necessary that you buy both of the products. You can either buy one or both. Anything is fine. The serum works very well and the cream works wonder, and the combination of them, they are working so well for me. I'm completely in love with them, guys. So overall, these are amazing products from La Organo and I'm definitely going to recommend it to you guys. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Please do not forget to go to their website and check their products, and if you plan to buy any products from their website, please use my coupon code so that you get an additional discount. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this review. And if you love this video, if you love this review, please like the video. Please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next week. Till then, take care. Bye.